In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Slack notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Slack to turn alerts completely off or turn them fully back on, so you're in control of your focus and your attention. First, open Slack and make sure you're on your workspace home screen. This is the main view where you see your channels and direct messages on the left, and your conversation area in the center. Being on the home screen ensures the next menu is easy to find and works the same whether you're using the desktop app or the web version. Next, look to the bottom left corner of Slack and click your profile picture or initials. This opens a small menu tied to your account. From here, you can quickly access settings that affect how Slack behaves for you, regardless of which channel or message you're viewing. In that menu, select Preferences. This is the central place to manage notifications. Preferences opens in a new panel or window, and you'll see a notification section. Everything you need for enabling or disabling alerts lives here, so you won't have to bounce around different screens. If you want to completely turn notifications off, uncheck every notification option you see in this section. That includes message alerts, mentions, sounds, desktop notifications, and anything else presented as a checkbox or toggle. Think of this as putting Slack into a silent mode on your device. Once everything is unchecked, Slack won't pop up banners, play sounds, or draw your attention with alerts. You can still open Slack and read messages whenever you want. You just won't be interrupted. This is great for deep work, but remember you may miss time-sensitive updates, so consider checking your inbox manually during breaks. When you're ready to bring notifications back, return to the same preferences area and check all the options again. Turning them on restores Slack's default behavior, so you'll hear sounds and see alerts for new messages, mentions, and other activity. If you've enabled multiple devices, make sure the same settings are applied there too, so your experience is consistent. A quick tip while you're here. If you prefer fewer interruptions instead of going all or nothing, you can keep only the options that matter most to you checked, such as mentions and direct messages, and leave the rest off. That way, critical alerts still get through without the extra noise. That's it. Go to your home screen, open your profile menu, choose Preferences, then either uncheck everything to disable notifications or check everything to enable them. Adjust as needed, and you'll have Slack working the way you want.